everyone, it's Len down here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on a 2010 Nissan Altima, and we're going to be doing something very simple, checking the air filter. If you want to step over here, there's going to be two clips. What we're going to do is we're going to put on our safety glasses, then we're going to remove these two clips. We just lift them up. It should pop up fairly easily. Pull this down. You might need something like a small screwdriver or whatever you want to stick in there. We're just going to try to gently pull this away. Being careful not to rip the gasket. If you rip the gasket, you're going to need to buy yourself an air filter, whether it's clean or not. There we are. Fits in there nice, so that's good. We can get a pretty clear visual at this point, but if you wanted to, you can remove it completely. Gently lifting up on this, pull it right out. And here we have our air filter. So what happens is air is going to get sucked in down this tube, go through this. Every piece of dirt and molecules or whatever might get sucked in there is going to get caught before it gets into your engine. You want to make sure this is clean. If you see in between these fins that it's very dirty, you'd want to replace it. This right here is minimal dirt. I wouldn't worry too much about that. It's completely up to you if you wanted to replace it at that point. For me personally, and it's a preference, I wouldn't worry too much about it. But if it was clogged up and there was a lot of dirt and debris in here, it's going to cause poor fuel economy. So if you're noticing a lack in fuel economy, this could be something that you want to take a look at. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reinsert this back in. We're going to lift this back up, put it into this part of the housing, and then we're going to bring it down. So I'm going to lift up. I'm going to insert it so the gasket's fitting in nicely. You don't want it sticking up anywhere, it might get caught. Now we're going to bring it back down, being careful for any pinch points. Safety first at 1A Auto. We're going to try to push this in this one, and that's that.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.